See, when suppose a girl comes to us which she says there is a lump in the breast, many a times it is not the lump, it is their how they how they take how they take care of their breast tissues also. Many a times young girl wear very tight bras, which is not good for them. So it is only because we have to just change what they are wearing and how they are wearing, and they are all right. If suppose there is a lump in a young girl, I would always suggest first is come to me. I will teach her self breast examination, which is a process which every girl above the age of 25 or 20 also she can do it 8 days after the menses, where she will examine her breast, which is a full protocol which she can learn. It is there online, and this we teach to every girl who comes to me or to any doctor for that matter. And this is to be done 8 days after the menses, because before the menses a young breast or any breast for that matter, even in an adult breast, will be tight and you can feel there is a lumpy sensation. So that is a wrong finding. So it has to be tested 8 days after the menses, or in a menopausal ladies it is any time of the month, because there are no hormonal fluctuations, so she can do it on the first of the month. So this is for the breast part. She has to do it proper. She comes to me, I will ask her what is her period date, and if it is 8 days after the menses, we will check it. If there is a lump, I will advise her to do, if she's a young, it is sonography of the breast. If she's about 30 or 40, we can do a full mammography with sonography of the breast. If there is a breast discharge, this discharge is checked properly for cancer cells again. And if the lump is palpable, we write and send it to the mammography. Okay, there is a lump in the breast, so please take proper care. And if treatment is needed, it can be done, because the mammography person, whoever does it, does the biopsy also of the lumps. Not necessarily they have to go to an oncology from there, because the word cancer is very scary. That is the reason why the woman doesn't come for a checkup. Okay, I have got breast cancer, now I am going. It is a death sentence. It is not a death sentence. Cancer caught on time is totally curable now. And if you catch it on time, many a times, many treatment is shortcut. We do only a lumpectomy. The breast is not removed. So awareness is very important. If the lump is small, lump is removed, breast is not removed. So there is no physical deformity in the body, which makes a female not go to the doctor, because she will say, I will lose a breast. Social norms, how I will look in front of people. That is again which plays on the woman's mind, and it is normal. I'm not saying it is abnormal. It is normal. Anybody is going to feel that. So we have to be very open about it and tell her, Baba, don't worry. All the lumps are not cancer. If it is cancer, if it is caught on time, it is treatable. We can give you proper medication. I will give you a proper doctor. You can go to that doctor who will guide you what has to be done, how it has to be done, whether you will need all the treatment, which is surgery, chemotherapy, radiation, whatever modalities are there, and newer advances come daily. So the treatment has become very good now. For any type of cancer, we have got lot of awareness and lot of research is going on. And we have got good oncologists in India. Very good. Our medical facility is the best, actually speaking. But normally, because everybody goes abroad, people want to go abroad. But I would always suggest India is a good place. You have a choice of doctor, but please don't go window shopping. Don't change your doctors just because somebody else has gone to that doctor, so I'm going to change the doctor. Window shopping is not good. It is not. It is doctors and it is your body which is going to be taken care of. And all the protocols all over the world is same. We follow the same treatment everywhere. So there is nothing which I will say something and the other doctor will say other thing. But that trust has to be there. So normally we try to counsel them well, and this counseling is very important for a person to understand and not get scared. In the long run, what you have to do is you have to be there for them whenever they call, especially a cancer patients. Mood fluctuations are there, so we have to be there for them whenever they want कि doctor ऐसा हुआ, वो doctor ने ऐसा बोला, ये doctor ने ऐसा बोला. So we always have to there, go to your doctor. Don't change the doctor now, because the treatment is on and it is helping you. So please trust. That is how we have to go about it. We have to guide them. As a GP, general practitioner, that is my moral duty to guide them properly, and then to be in connection with the oncologist or the surgeon who's treating my patient, so that I know what is that doctor wanting to do, so that I can convey that message through me and I can help the patient and the doctor both, because I know these families everywhere. As a general practitioner, all GPs are in very good way with the whole family. We work on the unit. A consultant is very busy. The oncologist is busy. The consultant does. Everybody, the seniors consultant who are there, they are busy people. They have to see many patients. We see the whole family. So this moral support from the family, friends, everything, and as a general practitioner, I can also, all general practitioner can help. But very sorry, with us, the general practice, we are not getting more general practitioners now. Everybody wants to be a specialist and a super specialist, but GPs are, I feel the GPs are very important. So I don't know now. So we have to guide them. They go to the oncologist or radiation therapy or surgery, whatever is done, and then they walk the road properly. And we are always there for them. And the oncologist has to be good. So they always take them for a good thing.